The deal today is we are carp fishing with ice rods and fly rods.
Oh yeah, he is. Got him.
Got him. Let's go. Oh, it came off. No.
Oh yeah. Got him. Let's go. I'm on, guys. I'm on.
Go to the shoreline, I'll get net.
Over here.
Oh, there's another one.
Can you get over there?
Yeah.
Well, Sean, wait. It's easier. I'll just go right here. I got it. It's not even that big.
Dude, the colors on that thing, man.
Dude, I want to see how a carp fights, dude. So bad.
Let's
Ice
go.
rod.
Here we go. Let's let this guy go. Here we go. Back in there, looking all good. Ready, guys? There you go, buddy. Off he goes.
So Sean's hooked up. Oh god, that's a big fish, dude. Oh god, he just swam in. Sorry, I gotta. In the net, guys. In the net. Look at that. All right. Do you want to open the?
Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, dude, the ice rod, that was so fun.
That's tough.
That was so fun.
Pretty good, guys.
Yeah.
Pretty neat, huh?
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catfish?
What
Just
is
a
it?
white sucker.
White sucker. Yeah.
White sucker, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, really nice job, guys.
Thank
Good to
you.
see out here.
Oh, my hands
It's a decent sized one.
are cold.
Yeah, mine are freezing.
Yeah, that's a little bigger. He's getting. Alright, a little bit of drop off.
Ooh.
There he
There
goes.
he goes.
He's chill.
He's off. Got him. Got him, baby. Yep. Dang. Jeez, this is so cool. It's like, dang, these things fight. It's like flying. On the ice rod. I got you. All those other two are coming back too. That one's decent, that one swimming over there.
Oh, you barely got it.
Another little guy for me. Not too small. He's all good, ready to go. Let him go out himself just so he's healthy.